Welcome to Greenbelt Recycling. Everything on the green table you can put in your bin curbside, your blue bin at home. Everything in the red side has to go to the landfill. Everything in the yellow you can recycle, but not curbside in your bin. You have to take to special places. Now, the regular recycling things are glass that we all know about. You can leave your lids on the glass bottles if you want to. The other category is metals. You can recycle aluminum foil and aluminum pans if they're clean. The next category is paper. You can recycle gable top containers and aseptic containers. These get recycled with plastic. You can leave the lids on and the little thingy on as well. Your plates and cups can be recycled only if they're clean. If they have a few crumbs on them, you can compost the crumbs and then recycle the plate. But if you had spaghetti on it and it's full of sauce, then you can compost the plate or put it in the trash. The next category is plastics. Plastics can be complicated, so we divide the plastics in narrow mouth, wide mouth, and clamshells. You can recycle all of these styles 1 through 5. Number 6s are bad. For all of the different categories, you can leave the lids on. So lids on are okay, except for the drinks that go with a straw. But like these number 5s, you can all live with the lids. Now in the plastics category, the clamshell containers are complicated because we have the 1s, the 2s, and the 5s, but then we also have the 6s. 6s are a no. We do not want anything with a 6 on it. So please take a look at the little number, the little recycling triangle with the number. If it has a 6 or a PS, then it's polystyrene and we don't want to recycle it. Also, anything that is thin gauge thermoform plastic, anything that has a funny shape or lots of ridges and things, then we don't want to recycle that. Also, nothing that is long and thin because that gets stuck through the cracks. So we don't want any of that. Styrofoam is also a number 6, so we don't want it. Except if you have block styrofoam, then you can bring it to electronics recycling. We have electronics recycling quarterly in January, April, July, and October. Another thing that's a big no-no is Mylar. This is covalently bonded metal and plastic together. They will never separate. This thing will never decompose. You can avoid purchasing things that come with Mylar, like these kinds of things, then we don't want them. Your paper napkins, even though they're paper, they're not recyclable because the fibers are so small that they're at the end of the recycling process. However, if you compost, you can always compost your napkins. Now, your drinking glass and ceramics are also not recyclable. The reason is because this glass is made of who knows what kind of glass, but the glass that contains your peanut butter or your mayo or whatever has to have certain specifications. So you can recycle that, but not this. Now, in terms of special recycling, we have, as we mentioned, the block styrofoam, which you can bring to electronics recycling. All different kinds of electronics, computers, laptops, CPUs, cables, mice, those kinds of things you can bring to electronics recycling. Your bag of bags, this is plastic film. You know it's plastic film because it stretches when you pull at it. If it's crinkly and when you pull at it, it tears more than it stretches, then it is cellophane, and I can't even tear this one. But this is cellophane, this is proper plastic. You can put your plastic in your bag of bags, and this includes like your Gatorade cover, your toilet paper, your dry cleaning bags, all of that can go in here, and you can take it to Safeway, Giant, Target, Home Depot, Lowe's. All of those stores will recycle it and make it into plastic lumber. We also have composting. For all of these things that have the composting symbol or that say PLA, plant-based, then you can compost this and you can bring it to Bariatric Park to our food scraps location. And that's it for recycling.